Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher from Allied School, the Science Factor class 5. Let's start our lecture from unit 1, that is human body. And the first topic, nervous system, present on page 6. The question arises here that what is nervous system? Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and different nerves. In the picture you can see that brain, spinal cord, all the nerves present in the body makes nervous system. Here you can see the question of number 1, define nervous system. The nervous system made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Now nerves. What is nerve? A nerve is a fiber that carries impulses. Nervous system has two main parts. Question number 2, how many parts of nervous system? Two main parts. One is central nervous system, other is peripheral nervous system. There is difference between two parts. Central nervous system is the brain and spinal cord, but peripheral nervous system, all the nerves throughout the body. Now in the picture you can see the internal structure of brain. Cerebrum is the largest and major part of brain, which have 4 lobes: frontal, parietal, occipital lobe, spinal cord, temporal lobe and the smallest part, cerebellum. Here you can see the question about this topic. Question present on page 8. Name the two parts of nervous system and how are they different? First part, central nervous system, consists on brain and spinal cord, and second, peripheral nervous system, consists on nerves. Thank you. Now we are going to discuss about the second topic of unit 1 on page 9, that is circulatory system. What is circulatory system? Circulatory system is basically a blood circulation throughout the body with the help of blood vessels. These blood vessels are arteries, veins and capillaries. These carries blood towards and away from the heart. Circulatory system sends oxygen and nutrients around the body to all the cells. Nutrients are the substances that provide energy. The main part of circulatory system are blood, heart and blood vessels. Three main parts are present in the circulatory system. First, blood, heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart pumps blood around the body. The blood travels in tube called blood vessels. Those tubes that carry blood called blood vessels, and there are 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Now discuss here the functions of arteries and veins. Arteries carries blood away from the heart towards the organ and tissues. Veins carry blood to the heart. Capillaries are very small blood vessels that link between the veins and arteries. Capillaries are small blood vessels that is present between the veins and arteries. How the heart work? Heart divided into 4 chambers, mean 4 boxes: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Here you can see the picture of heart. Internal structure of heart: 2 atrium, right atrium and left atrium. 2 ventricles, right ventricle and left ventricle. A for artery, V for vein. The heart. Okay. On the board you can see some important questions of exercise at page 10. First question, what makes circulatory system? The heart, blood vessels make the circulatory system. Question number 2, what is the function of circulatory system? It sends blood, oxygen and nutrients around the body. Question 3, what does your heart beat faster when you exercise? Yes, because we need more oxygen. Question number 4, name the 3 types of blood vessel: arteries, veins, capillaries. On this page you can see 3 short questions about this topic. What is circulatory system? System that send oxygen and nutrients around the body. Question number 2, what is the function of arteries? Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Question number 3, what is the function of vein? Vein carry blood to the heart. Thank you. Dear students, we are going to discuss about the third topic of the unit, the human body, that is respiratory system on page 11. Respiratory system basically deals with breathing. Breathing means taking oxygen from air and releasing carbon dioxide in the air. Breathing means taking oxygen, releasing out carbon dioxide. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen we need to survive and expel carbon dioxide that we don't need. Expel means release. The main organ of respiratory system is lung. We have 2 lungs. How many? 2 lungs. We use other parts, nose, mouth, larynx, pharynx and trachea for the breathing. In the picture you can see all the parts of respiratory system. That starts from nasal cavity, means nose, nostrils, these are the holes present in your nose. Then pharynx. Pharynx, front part of your neck. Beneath the pharynx, larynx is present. After larynx, trachea present. Trachea is an air tube that passes oxygen or air into the lungs. This is right lung and this is left lung. This is the whole picture of respiratory system. Now come towards the breathing process. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, when you breathe in, air is inhaled through nose, mouth, travels through the pharynx, larynx and trachea into the lungs, where 600 million tiny hair sacs called alveoli. You can see the picture here. These are alveoli. These are capillaries, blood capillaries that exchange gases. The alveoli take oxygen out of the air and put it into blood, where it pumped through the body. Right. Opposite process happens when we breathe out. Carbon dioxide from blood absorbed in the alveoli and travels through the trachea, pharynx to your mouth and nose, where it leaves the body. So opposite process happen. Now here you can see some important questions from exercise on page 12 of topic respiratory system. First question, name the organs that make up the respiratory system. First lung, second nose, third mouth, fourth larynx, fifth pharynx, front part of neck, sixth trachea, air tube. Second question, which gas are exchanged when you breathe in and breathe out? Of these, which is important for our survival? Gases name, first is oxygen taking in the body, carbon dioxide releasing out from the body. The most important gas that we need for our survival is oxygen. Thank you.